Alrighty, you guys. So today we're going to be working on Algebra 1 area method. We're going to have 3 boxes total as well as an extension. So for our first box, we're going to learn how to read tiles since we are going to be working with that today. And we are specifically going to be working with these 3. So this one is going to be 1 by 1, which is simply going to equal an area of 1. As an area, title is simply just tile with a certain amount of area in it. So for this one right here is 1 by x. So filling that in, you can go ahead and see that our area is going to equal to x. And then this bottom one right here is just x multiplied by another x. So if we fill that in, you'll be able to see that this area will equal to x squared since it's just x by x. And this strategy is going to be important to remember as we're going to use this to multiply our binomials throughout our worksheets. So in our second box, this example is going to be multiplying x plus 2 and x plus 1. So the first thing we want to do here is go ahead and draw these out. So on our left hand side, we're going to go ahead and do x plus 2. This one here is going to be representative of x. And we're going to go ahead and draw out 1 and another 1. And then right over here on the top, we're going to go ahead and do x plus 1. This is our other x, and this is our 1. So we want to go ahead and multiply these. So x multiplied by another x is just going to equal x squared. X multiplied by 1 is just x. X again multiplied by 1 is equal to x. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. X and 1 is equal to x. And then our last one, again, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And we're just going to go ahead and combine all of these like terms. So x squared is going to stay x squared. We can see that we have 3 x's, which is going to equal to 3x. And then 2 of these 1's, which is equal to 2. So our answer without doing the FOIL strategy is just going to equal x squared plus 3x and plus 2. For our third box, this is going to be a U try. So we want to go ahead and multiply using the area method, which is what we've been doing this time. So we're going to go ahead and draw these out, and you're going to also draw x plus 3 and x plus 2. On your left hand side, you should have your x, 1, a 1, and another 1. There should be a total of 3 of these. Right over here on your top, you should have your x, a 1, and another 1. There should be a total of 2. Again, multiplying these out, you should have an x squared. This will result you with an x. And x times 1 will also give you x. X and 1 gives you x. 1 and 1 will give you 1. Again, 1 and 1 resulting with 1. X times 1 giving you another x. 1 and 1 gives you 1. 1 times 1 again gives you 1. X and 1 will give you x. 1 and 1 again gives you 1. And then the same thing for our last one. So we want to go ahead and combine these like terms. I'm gonna write your answer right over here on the top since I kind of lost some space there. So we're gonna go ahead and see that our x squared is alone. Plus next is gonna be our x. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 6. X squared plus 5x plus 6 is your answer. Gonna go ahead and do our last one here, which is going to be our extension. And so this is going to be x minus 2 and x plus 3. And so how can we use algebra tiles to multiply this? I want you guys to go ahead and pay attention to what is different here with this example and how you think this will impact our method. Go ahead and be prepared to answer this question for our next class. Thank you.